Hi everyone, welcome back to NLTI. I'm Anish Gupta, the founder of National Law Training Institute and a recent graduate of the National Law School Bangalore, having secured All India Rank 17 in CLAT 2021. तो हमारे पास अब less than 4 months है for your CLAT 2027 preparation. We have approximately 110 days to go. And abhi bhi, if you are scoring anywhere close to 60 or 70, you have a great chance at securing a top 5 NLU. बहुत बच्चे अभी भी मेरे से पूछ रहे हैं कि भैया अगर मेरा मॉक में स्कोर 60 आ रहा है या 70 आ रहा है या 75 आ रहा है, am I on the right track? The answer is yes, but you need some more guidance and some more practice before you eventually officially enter the race for top 3 NLUs. क्योंकि already काफ़ी बच्चे score कर रहे हैं above 80, above 85, above 90. So if you are someone who wants to target the top 3 NLUs but are in the cruising range of 60 or 70, then I'm assuring you that you still have a great chance, but for that you need a push in your CLAT preparation journey. So in that pursuit, NLTI has a very big surprise for you. NLTI is now bringing a 100-day lock-in series for your CLAT 2027 preparation. Motive simple hai, 100 days, 1% improvement every day, so that by 25th of November, you are 100% ready for your CLAT 2027 preparation. And after 25th of November, you are just dedicating your entire time into revision. So hum NLTI mein, beginning today, we are bringing you a 100-day lock-in series for your CLAT 2027 preparation aimed at 100% improvement before your exam, 10 days before your exam, ताकि you are completely ready, you feel confident, you feel motivated, and you feel that you have covered everything you could for your CLAT 2027 preparation. So introducing and launching officially the 100-day lock-in series beginning today, that is 17th of August, starting at 5 p.m. So let me quickly tell you what this 100-day lock-in series is about to be. But one thing that is for sure, this series is only for the most serious CLAT aspirants. If you are scoring less than 50, then I'm sorry, this series is not meant for you, because this series is only for people who are already scoring above 60, people who have their concepts cleared but need some extra practice and extra help when it comes to practice and application of the concepts into questions. तो ये सीरीज बहुत ही ज़्यादा एप्लीकेशन हैवी होने वाली है. हम इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट्स कवर करेंगे बट नॉट इन डिटेल एज अ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट कवर्स इन a full comprehensive year-long program. हमारे पास 4 महीने बचे हैं. We are not going to spend a lot of time into completing all the concepts, but we are going to spend time on applying everything that you already know. अगर आपको सब concepts पता है, आपको CR की concepts पता है, आपकी legal strong है, but आप गलती कर रहे हो questions में, elimination में, application में, then this series is for you and only for you. So what is this series about? Program at a glance, duration, as the name suggests, it's a 100-day lock-in series. Starting today, we are locking in for CLAT 2027 preparation. इन 100 दिनों में हम अपनी पूरी CLAT preparation को revolutionize करने वाले हैं. अगर आप अभी तक अच्छा स्कोर नहीं कर पा रहे हो या बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर रहे हो but you want to target the National Law School Bangalore, then this series is for you. क्योंकि हम इसमें सिर्फ application पर focus करने वाले हैं, theory पे इतना focus नहीं करने वाले, so that you become exam ready. Exam anyways is going to be application based. CLAT expert committee की जो report आई है उसमें बोला है that we want the exam to be around international standards, and international standards revolve around application. तो इस series में हम application करने वाले हैं किनकी 5 CLAT subjects की. Question bank, we are going to solve 2000 plus carefully selected questions. These questions have been prepared by NLSIU alumni, CLAT toppers, जिनको paper pattern in hand pata hai, they know it deeply, they have given the paper multiple times and they have cracked the paper multiple times. 100 days, 20 questions every day, and we are going to practice more than 2000 questions over the next 4 months, so that कोई भी question exam में आता है, you don't feel lost, you don't feel helpless, you don't feel clueless कि question क्या है. हर question जो exam में आ सकता है वो हम cover करेंगे in the next 100 days. ऐसा कोई question नहीं होगा जो आपको लगेगा कि this is new to me, because we will be doing carefully selected and carefully crafted questions over the next 100 days. Question type will be application based, similar to CLAT. Difficulty will be moderate to high. This series is not for a beginner. Let me be very clear. This series is not for a student who is just starting out their prep or who is scoring less than 50. I will be very honest with you. This series is only for the most serious aspirants, जो टारगेट कर रहे हैं टॉप 3 या टॉप 5 NLUs। अगर आपका टारगेट ही नहीं है ऐसा, तो दिस सीरीज इज नॉट फॉर यू। डू नॉट वॉच द सीरीज बिकॉज आपको समझ नहीं आएगा, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू फॉलो इट। We are only reaching out to students who have already cleared their concepts and are just facing difficulty in applying those concepts. Focus will be on high probability concepts and question types, and the curation is sourced and curated by NLSIU alumni and graduates. What is the approach? Less theory, more application. हम आपको इतनी डिटेल में theory नहीं करवाएंगे. We will definitely be covering the theory, the most essential theory, but we are not going to spoon feed you into revising and learning all the theory from the scratch. This is an application based series. इसमें हम सबसे ज़्यादा focus करेंगे on solving questions and solving a lot of questions. Skills that will be tested and applied and enhanced in this series are reading, reasoning, application, and elimination. Coverage will be all 5 subjects, that is legal, logical, English, QT, and GK. Format, the quick format of the series is going to be this, that we will first revise the concept in brief, then application, and then advanced practice. हम सिर्फ apply नहीं करेंगे, हम उनको advanced questions में भी solve करेंगे. The most difficult questions that you have come across, the most difficult concepts that you have come across in your CLAT preparation will be handled with ease in this series. Cost, it's 100% free series. NLTI has just turned 4. We have just opened our first offline center in Chandigarh. And to celebrate this success, we are coming up with this series absolutely free of cost. अब हर घर का बच्चा क्लैट पढ़ेगा, क्लैट फोड़ेगा, वो भी फ्री में. आपको कोई पैसा देने की जरूरत नहीं है. We are going to come live on YouTube every single day for the next 100 days so that you are exam ready by the 25th of November, and the next 10 days before your exam you are just revising everything that you have learned. We are going to cover champion mocks, that those are very difficult mocks that will be provided to you free of cost, जिसमें आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे जो आपने आज तक नहीं देखे होंगे, आज तक सॉल्व नहीं किए होंगे, और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जिनकी सबसे ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है टू शो अप इन द एग्जाम. Absolute cost, it's an absolutely free series. Who should attend? Students who are consistently scoring 60 plus in CLAT mocks. If you're not scoring above 60, do not attend the series because you will not be able to follow it. This series is only meant for the most serious CLAT aspirants. Cost is 100% free, so do not make any excuse. Start today. We are kicking off this series today at 5 p.m. with our GK marathon. So for the next 15 days, we are exclusively going to bring to you GK marathon videos in which we are going to cover every important topic from January to August in very detail. तो अगले 15 दिन का schedule यही है. हर दिन 5 बजे we will see you on YouTube at our NLTI channel. Absolutely free, जिसमें हम बैकलॉग पूरा का पूरा फोड़ देंगे, पूरा का पूरा खत्म कर देंगे. जीके का खेल खत्म सीरीज इज बीइंग ब्रॉट टू यू अंडर दिस लॉक इन सीरीज, जिसमें हम पूरा जीके बैकलॉग एक के बाद एक खत्म कर देंगे. पूरे अगले 15 दिन में लॉक इन करो. इफ यू आर सीरियस अबाउट क्लैट, लॉक इन टुडे. If you are serious about getting the National Law School Bangalore, lock in today and start attending the classes today, starting 5 p.m. with our GK Marathon series for the next 15 days. बाकी अगले 15 दिन के बाद आपको एक नया schedule मिलेगा about the next 15 days of our classes. So every 15 days you will get a new schedule of classes that will be taken under the lock-in series, so that you are never clueless, you are never lost about where your CLAT preparation is headed towards. So starting today, we will see you live at 5 p.m. with me and our GK faculty, in which we are going to do GK ka khel khatam, that is January to August, complete backlog finished in 15 days. So that's it from this announcement. We hope to see you in great numbers. We hope that you can share this announcement with your friends. Put it on Instagram, put it on Reddit, put it on Telegram, and ensure that maximum of your friends could benefit from such an initiative, because this is an absolutely free initiative meant only for the most serious CLAT aspirants. So that's it. I am Anish. Please let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts, and we'll be back with our first GK Marathon class today under the lock-in series at 5 p.m. sharp. See you all.